For centuries, people have wondered if there is life out there in the universe. And if so, what might it be like? Many scientists believe that aliens, if they exist, would likely have advanced technology far beyond our own. And one of the most fascinating questions is how they might travel through space. He suggested that these enigmatic celestial objects could be used for interstellar travel by creating a wormhole inside them. This refers to a type of energy that has a negative mass-energy equivalence, meaning that it would cause the fabric of space-time to repel rather than attract. By harnessing negative energy, it may be possible to overcome the immense energy required to create a wormhole. It is a tantalizing possibility that if we could harness the power of these enigmatic objects, we could explore the vastness of space like never before. The idea of using black holes for faster-than-light travel is particularly intriguing by creating a wormhole inside a black hole. It may be possible to create a shortcut through space-time that connects to distant points. One of the biggest concerns is that black holes are incredibly dangerous. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and least understood phenomena in the universe, and exploring them could potentially lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of physics and the nature of reality. Additionally, the development of new technologies for faster-than-light travel could have a profound impact on our civilization. Some believe that unexplained phenomena, such as UFO sightings, may actually be evidence of alien spacecraft traveling at faster-than-light speeds. While there is no evidence that aliens exist or that black holes can be used for faster-than-light travel, it is a fun and thought-provoking idea to consider. Whether or not aliens exist, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. And who knows what we might discover in the vast expanse of space. The idea of using black holes for faster-than-light travel is just one of many exciting possibilities that lie ahead in our exploration of the universe. While there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, it is a fascinating idea that has captured the imagination of many people around the world. This is a thought experiment that was first proposed by Paul Ernst in 1911. We can perceive the flow of time moving forward from the past to the future. However, from a physical standpoint, there is no real reason why time should flow in one direction rather than another. This is known as the arrow of time. While it is theoretically possible to travel to the future by traveling at near light speed, it is unlikely that time travel to the past will ever be possible due to the laws of physics. However, the mysteries of time continue to fascinate us, and who knows what discoveries the future may hold. One of the leading theories to explain the arrow of time is the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy wins every time. This means that over time, things tend to become more disordered and less organized. For example, a cup of hot coffee will eventually cool down to room temperature because it is more likely for the heat to spread out rather than concentrate. The paradox highlights the strange effects of time dilation on a person who travels at near light speed. According to the theory, if a person were to travel at a significant fraction of the speed of light and then return to Earth, they would be younger than their identical twin, which stayed on Earth. This is because time would have slowed down for the traveler due to the effects of special relativity. It could potentially allow us to explore new star systems and planets, which could lead to the discovery of new resources and opportunities for colonization. It could also potentially allow us to communicate with alien civilizations, which could expand our knowledge of the universe and our place in it. Well, according to Einstein's theories, traveling to the future is theoretically possible. By traveling at a significant fraction of the speed of light, you could experience time dilation and effectively travel forward in time. However, traveling to the past is much more complicated. It would require breaking the laws of physics as we currently understand them. There are some theoretical concepts, such as wormholes and Tipler cylinders, that suggest the possibility of time travel to the past. But these remain purely hypothetical. We also have other videos available that you might enjoy, such as our video on whether time travel is possible. The idea of traveling through time and changing the past or seeing the future has captured the imaginations of scientists, philosophers, and storytellers alike. So the question is time travel really possible? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Their immense gravity can easily destroy a spacecraft or planet. Black holes are incredibly dangerous, and exploring them could potentially lead to the destruction of our planet or solar system. This means that time is not absolute, and it can be affected by factors such as gravity and velocity. In fact, time can be dilated, meaning that it can slow down or speed up depending on the observer's frame of reference. This phenomenon has been proven by numerous experiments, and it has become one of the cornerstones of modern physics. Additionally, the possibility of creating an intergalactic war is a real concern. If faster-than-light travel allows us to make contact with hostile alien civilizations, it could potentially lead to conflict and destruction on a galactic scale. Despite these concerns, the allure of the unknown and the potential for discovery is too great for many scientists to resist. The quest to understand the universe and our place in it is a fundamental part of the human condition, and the search for faster-than-light travel is a natural extension of that quest. Additionally, the interior of a black hole is completely unknown, and it is unclear what would happen to a spacecraft once it entered one. Despite these challenges, many scientists continue to explore the possibility of using black holes for faster-than-light travel. And who knows what we might discover in the vast expanse of space. This could potentially allow for travel to star systems that are thousands of light years away in a matter of seconds or minutes. While this may sound like science fiction, it is actually a serious area of research. Many scientists believe that wormholes are a real phenomenon, and that they could potentially be used for faster-than-light travel. One of the most famous proponents of this idea is Professor Sir Roger Penrose, a renowned physicist and mathematician who won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2020. He has argued that wormholes are a natural consequence of Einstein's theory of general relativity, and that they could potentially be created by using negative energy, because it offers a potential solution to one of the biggest challenges in space exploration: the vast distances involved. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, nothing can travel faster than light, which means that even the nearest star systems are incredibly far away from us. For example, Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to ours, is about 4.37 light-years away. This means that it would take over 4 years for a spacecraft traveling at the speed of light to reach it. But despite its appeal, it is important to note that these are just theories, and there is no evidence that black holes can be used for faster-than-light travel, or that aliens exist. This idea has been explored in various scientific papers, including one published by Dr. Garcia I. Tormo and his colleagues in 2021. Their research suggests that negative energy could be used to stabilize a wormhole and keep it open long enough for a spacecraft to pass through. Wormholes are hypothetical tunnels that connect to distant points in spacetime, allowing for faster-than-light travel. However, creating such a wormhole requires immense energy, which is why no one has ever done it before. What if aliens use black holes for faster-than-light travel? Black holes are regions in spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, and are known to be one of the most extreme and mysterious phenomena in the universe. Despite their reputation for being cosmic vacuum cleaners, black holes don't actually suck anything in. Instead, they have an intense gravitational pull that prevents anything from getting too close and crossing the event horizon. Another fascinating idea involves the concept of quantum entanglement. This is a unique relationship between two particles where they are linked together in such a way that actions performed on one particle affect the other instantaneously, regardless of the distance between them. In a paper published in 2021, physicists from the University of Göttingen in Germany proposed using entangled particles to transmit information across the event horizon of a black hole. This could potentially allow communication with an alien civilization on the other side of the black hole, although it wouldn't necessarily enable faster-than-light travel. In 2008, a physicist named Xavier Garcia y Tormo proposed a groundbreaking idea that challenged conventional thinking about black holes. But things get even more intriguing when we consider the concept of negative energy. However, this is just one theory among many that attempt to explain how black holes can be used for faster-than-light travel. The idea of using black holes for interstellar travel has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction fans alike. That said, the search for extraterrestrial life continues, and who knows what we might discover in the vast expanse of space. However, black holes could potentially provide a way around this problem. While the idea of using black holes for faster-than-light travel is exciting, it is important to note that there are also some significant challenges. One of the most compelling reasons to explore the idea of using black holes for faster-than-light travel is the potential for scientific discovery. However, some experts argue that the risks of using black holes for faster-than-light travel are simply too great to be worth the potential rewards. But if aliens do exist and they are more advanced than us, they may have already discovered the secret to faster-than-light travel, and they may have been visiting our planet for centuries without us even knowing it. In conclusion, the idea of aliens using black holes for faster-than-light travel is a truly fascinating concept that has captured the imaginations of scientists and science fiction fans alike. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Time travel is a concept that has fascinated humans for centuries. According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, time is relative and it is intertwined with space to form a four-dimensional continuum called spacetime. One of the most well-known examples of time dilation is the twin paradox. Another interesting aspect of time is that it appears to have a directionality. So what does all of this mean for the possibility of time travel? In conclusion, the question of whether time travel is possible is a complex one that has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries.